When it comes to enhancing the security, energy efficiency, and overall value of your property in Houston, the importance of proper door installation cannot be overstated. Whether you're a homeowner seeking comfort and security or a business owner aiming to protect your investment, ensuring your doors are installed correctly is a crucial step. Here's why proper door installation matters and how it impacts homes and businesses in Houston's unique environment. Enhancing security for peace of mind. Houston, like any bustling city, has its share of safety concerns. Properly installed doors act as the first line of defense against unauthorized entry. A poorly installed door, with gaps or weak hinges, can easily be compromised, leaving your property vulnerable. Professional installation ensures that doors fit snugly within their frames, leaving no room for tampering. High-quality locks and sturdy materials can only do their job effectively when paired with proper installation techniques. For businesses dealing with valuable inventory or homes safeguarding loved ones, this peace of mind is invaluable. Combating Houston's weather challenges. Houston's weather is a tale of extremes: hot, humid summers, heavy rainfalls, and the occasional hurricane. These conditions demand doors that not only look great but can also withstand the elements. Improperly installed doors may warp, swell, or allow water infiltration, leading to costly damage. A well-installed door provides a tight seal, keeping out moisture, drafts, and pests. For businesses, this is particularly important in maintaining a comfortable environment for customers and employees, while homeowners benefit from consistent indoor temperatures and reduced maintenance costs. Boosting energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a growing concern for both homeowners and businesses in Houston. Poorly installed doors with gaps or misalignments can lead to significant energy losses, causing your HVAC system to work overtime and increasing your utility bills. Proper door installation creates an airtight barrier, reducing energy loss and ensuring that your property stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Over time, the savings on energy bills can offset the cost of professional installation, making it a smart financial decision. Elevating curb appeal and property value. The doors of your home or business contribute significantly to its first impression. A misaligned or poorly fitted door not only looks unprofessional but also signals potential neglect to visitors or prospective buyers. Investing in proper door installation enhances curb appeal by ensuring your doors open and close smoothly and align perfectly with your property's aesthetic. For businesses, an attractive and functional entrance can draw customers in, while homeowners can enjoy the added value a well-maintained property brings. Reducing long-term costs. Cutting corners with door installation may save money upfront but often leads to higher costs down the line. Misaligned doors can cause uneven wear, damage to door frames, and even structural issues. Add in increased energy bills and potential water damage, and the expenses quickly add up. Professional installation by experienced technicians ensures that your doors are built to last. With proper alignment, secure hardware, and durable seals, you reduce the need for frequent repairs and replacements, saving money and hassle in the long term. Ensuring compliance with local building codes. In Houston, building codes are in place to ensure the safety and functionality of structures. Doors, especially in commercial settings, must meet specific standards to comply with fire safety, accessibility, and other regulations. Improper installation can lead to non-compliance, resulting in fines or legal issues. Working with professionals familiar with local codes ensures that your doors not only function well but also meet all regulatory requirements. Choosing the right professionals for the job. Proper door installation requires skill, precision, and knowledge of the unique demands of Houston's climate and architecture. Partnering with experienced professionals ensures that your investment in doors pays off in terms of security, energy savings, and long-term reliability. Conclusion. Proper door installation is not just a technical detail, it's a fundamental aspect of maintaining the security, comfort, and value of homes and businesses in Houston. From safeguarding against weather challenges to boosting energy efficiency and curb appeal, the benefits of getting it right the first time are undeniable. Whether you're replacing a single door or upgrading multiple entryways, investing in professional installation is a step toward a safer, more efficient, and more appealing property.